Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Mart. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best backseat baby mirrors. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the Sonilove baby car mirror. Are you seeking out the quality backseat toddler reflect that effortlessly attaches to the headrest at the lower backseat of the auto? Then, the Sonilove toddler vehicle reflect is what you need. This mirror functions a further wide viewing angle that lets in you to preserve a terrific and full view of your child whilst you are using. It also pivots and rotates so you can without problems modify it to get a higher view of your child. Moreover, this reflect is well matched with most vehicle seat along with SUVs and vans. The seat reflect is crafted from best acrylic safety glass with a strong plastic frame. This mirror is shatterproof and will not easily wreck even in case of a coincidence. It is also very clean to put in and easy. This replicate also capabilities a convex shape which allows a very good and clear view of the kid from the front chair. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Royal Rascals Shatterproof Backseat Car Seat Mirror. This backseat car toddler seat replicate comes with a yellow coloration for a cause. This is due to the fact the human eye is drawn plenty greater quickly to the yellow coloration than another color. Therefore, you can speedy check to your child with this lower backseat replicate without getting abstracted from the street. This backseat replicate will without difficulty attach to the backseat headrest with the adjustable straps covered. It functions 360 levels rotation that permits you get a totally clear view of your from any angle even as driving. Additionally, this reflect is also shatterproof, that means that it will now not without difficulty ruin in case of an automobile collision and injure your toddler. At number 3, we have the Matusse infant backseat mirror. If you're seeking out an incredible backseat replicate with a purpose to assist you to have a clear view of your infant in any respect time whilst driving, then the Lusso Gear baby backseat mirror is the fine choice. This backseat mirror will even permit your baby to look you and herself. This will assist to preserve your toddler entertained and glad given that he or she could be to you while you are riding. This backseat reflex is comfy. It will now not effortlessly rotate or shake round whilst you are driving. The reflect additionally has an HD glass that gives you a clear view without any traumatic glare from the solar. This reflect is crafted from acrylic glass making shatterproof and durable. At number 2, we have the Dwelling Infant Backseat Mirror. This infant backseat reflect is designed for clean and simple use. It is easy to set up and is derived absolutely and calls for no collect while you buy it. This car reflect may be very clean and presents both your baby and your great view at the same time as inside the automobile. This mirror is lightweight and lengthy lasting. It is made from fantastic acrylic glass. This is absolutely shatterproof, so you'll not worry about your child getting injured from the sharply damaged glasses. It will not vibrate or shake and is rotatable as much as 360 ranges whilst wished. Moreover, it is simple to install compared to different backseat mirrors. And finally, at number 1, we have the Baby Mom Backseat Baby Mirror. This infant backseat reflect features a wide view attitude that permits you to peer the entire returned automobile seat. Now, not simplest part of it. The mirror also has an extensive convex angle for better top view and not using a glare or distortions from the sun. It is comprised of a pleasant shatterproof glass making it durable and secure on your baby. This reflect also easily attaches to the headrest of your back seat in subjects of seconds. The replicate can rotate 360 stages, so that you won't have any problem preserving moves. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this backseat baby mirrors, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.